Hello students, this is Dr. Vinay HR, a subject matter expert in psychiatry at Manipal MedAce. I have been teaching undergraduate medical students, pharmacy students and nursing students for over 10 years. As far as entrance exams are concerned, postgraduate entrance exams like INI-CET, NEET-PG, Manipal MedAce is a right place to look out for. Under psychiatry segment, you have 13 hours of video lectures which are covering 16 chapters, which is sub-organized into 56 topics. You have also 250 MCQs catering to all types, recall type, comprehension, analytical or problem-oriented type as well. So you'll find all the content organized as per the competencies mentioned in the CBME syllabus. We also do live sessions, Faculty Connect program and update on recent developments. Faculty Connect program is one unique way of learning the concepts in a fun way with experts. Have a pleasurable learning experience at Manipal MedAce.